Hey you guys, what's up? Hey, we didn't get to do a cooking video this weekend. We had terrible weather and I just really didn't have time to do anything other than this. That's right. We got to have our bar area enclosed, y'all, in plastic. And show you what I got going on here. We just covered up. This is temporarily. I added some studs there. Let's go inside here. Show you what I got going on. I just added some temporary studs. Put them in with screws, not nails. Nothing is nailed. The plastic is all stapled up. Done the screened-in porch. But the reason why I want to make this video, you can see right there, it's 46 degrees out here, which that ain't too bad. Last night it was like 44 at this same time. All right, and I purchased one of these. It's called, well, here, I'll show you the box here. It's easier to see. It's one of these. One of these Mr. Heater Big Buddies. All right. Well, let me tell you what happened. It done good, but I had it at 44 degrees yesterday, and it only went up to 50 degrees, and that was in several hours. So today we went and got us a master propane burner, y'all. Right here, it's 40 to 60,000 BTUs. It's got electrical plug in right here. As you see, it's 46 degrees over here. We hooked it up to the propane. We're gonna fire it off and let's see what it does. Now this is for a little area like this, y'all. Not for no big garage or anything. All right, let's fire it up. We got it all turned on. We're gonna hit it over here. You see that to the light. Oh yeah. All right. It's 46 degrees at 424. Let's see what it does. Y'all hang with me here. All right, guys, let's turn this heater off a second. Turn the switch. I guess you gotta unplug it. Anyway, that's all right, because I'm about to turn it back on. All right, here we go. Guys, if you can see that right there. $61 degrees, 456. I turned it on. Exactly been 30 minutes. And it grew 15 degrees. So yeah, I think the 60,000, I think those 60,000 BTU may be worth its money in a small area. And like I said, I've got cracks up there. I mean, it's not completely sealed. I just got it with plastic. But it did come with a 10-foot hose and regulator. Tells you that on the box. It says adjustable heat angle, which I've not messed with any of that. I just got the fan going right now, but we're gonna get it on up here at about 70 degrees, and then I'm gonna turn this back off and turn the my big buddy on. But it says on a 20-pound tank, that's your regular barbecue tank, y'all. You get 10 and a half hours out of this. So we're gonna heat it on up here to about 70, 68, 70, and then I'll turn the other heater on. Hey, that's my little review on the Master 60,000 BTUs from Tractor Supply. Hey, y'all like, share, subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next video.